Alright, here's my 2017 fireworks stash, part 1. We're going to start it off with these M150 crackers. 36 in a box. I got 2 boxes of them. Here, I'll open them up and let y'all see what they look like. Here they are. Just normal firecrackers. Nothing too special. Here, we'll buy one, get one free. That's why I got them. So I got 2 boxes of those. Then we got 8 boxes of these parachute ones. I have no idea who they're by, but they were $2 a box, so I got 8 of them, as you can see there. Third of all, we have the Rock Around the Clock by Phantom Fireworks. It's a fountain. It looks pretty cool, so got that. Then we have the New Yorker assortment, which I'll do an unboxing of that in a different video. And then over here we've got a giant fountain assortment, Mystical Night Fireworks by Phantom Fireworks. It's got a whole bunch of different fountains in it. And that's about it.